Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and we are here today to talk about NVIDIA. That's the talk of the town, right? So NVIDIA this week became the most valuable company in terms of the market cap, and I was thinking like if you are one of them who kind of thought that you would have purchased NVIDIA for a particular price and you kind of missed out on that, so how do you take advantage of this growth that we are seeing in NVIDIA's, right? So I thought of making this video with a strategy that you can use to buy NVIDIA for less. So whatever the market price going on right now, you can use this strategy to buy NVIDIA for less than that. So if you are interested in that, then please stick around, and with that let's start. Okay guys, so as you can see right in my computer screen, NVIDIA is now world's most valuable company, and thanks to AI and the craze that we are seeing around the overall AI, if you know ChatGPT, right? So everything around AI is kind of fueled this growth that you're seeing in NVIDIA. And look at the graph, right? Look at where they were in like just 3 years back, where they were, and now look at where they are, right? So this is a crazy growth in a stock, but this is not a meme stock that you can ignore. This is a real company with a real revenue growth that it can backed up with this growth, right? So we cannot really ignore, but this price is really too high, right? So the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you a strategy by which you can own NVIDIA for less than its current market value, right? So that's what we are going to discuss. So let's go to my Robinhood account and then start that. Okay, so I'm in my Robinhood account, and as you can see, right, NVIDIA is kind of hovering around 127 right now. It kind of crossed almost to 140, 141, but in last couple of days it kind of has cooled down a little bit. The RSI was through the roof, so this is very natural that it is coming down, but let's say this is also pretty high, right? If you compare to, let's say, a week or a month back, right, this is still almost at its peak, right? So how do you own it for less? So let's go to that particular strategy. So to execute that, you have to go to trade NVIDIA options that you can see here. You click on that, and then the second thing is what you do is you select, make sure you select sell put, and this is the expiry date, and this you can select anything here. I'll come to that how that makes a difference, but usually I just do a week. So you select a week out, which is June 28th here, and now these are the strike prices, right? So what you have to do, let's say you are comfortable, you anyway wanted to own NVIDIA, right? But instead of 127 you want to own it for 125, right? So you select 125 here, and for that you are actually getting credited, right? So you will be getting a chance to buy NVIDIA for 125, and you would also collect a premium of 285, right? So this is a win-win kind of situation if you really want to own that stock, right? So right now NVIDIA is the stock, and in terms of the future, that at least for a quick short term, right, they have their earnings coming, and that is kind of a very key catalyst that the lot of people are kind of looking at, and there would be more money pouring in NVIDIA, and that's gonna naturally drive the prices higher, right? So that is the key for this strategy. So let's say you want to buy for 125, you selected that, you collect this premium right away, you do not have to wait, and look at the profit and loss graph, right? So if let's say come June 28th NVIDIA is still hovers more than 125, that's fine. You did not own, but you collected this 285 premium, and that you are gonna anyway keep it, right? So this is what the simple strategy is. The execution wise, you just continue, you select the bid and the ask. So if you want to get it filled quickly, you just select the bid price. If you wanna maybe play around a little bit with, let's say 2.90, which is 290, that you can do that. But if you want to get it filled immediately, you select 285, you review the order, and you are done with that, and you just wait and watch for the June 28th. Now in terms of scenarios, there could be only two things possible, right? So let's say on June 28th, as I mentioned before, NVIDIA does end up below 125, right? Let's say NVIDIA is 124 on June 28th, right? What will happen? So you have to buy NVIDIA for 125, which you anyway wanted. But remember, you already collected almost $300 for that, right? So your actual break even is not 124, it's gonna be 122 is what gonna be your break-even price. So you have collected already $300 and you are owning NVIDIA for 125, right? So that's the scenario. That is like if it closes below 125. Now the second thing is, let's say it keeps going up, and on June 28th it moves up and it closes somewhere around maybe same, or maybe it goes to 130, right? So in that case, your contract expires worthless. You get to keep 284, and that's it. Your collateral is released. The next week you can do the same thing. You can again increase the expiry, and you can do this over and over again until you kind of own the NVIDIA stock at your desired price. So this is a perfect strategy, guys. The only key to this strategy is you are comfortable, because we are doing almost at the money, right? There are a lot of other things which I'm not going in detail. I have a lot of videos around options in general, and what are the other things that you need to kind of watch out for, like delta, theta, vega, and all those things, right? So all those things I have explained in a lot of other videos. If you have not subscribed, guys, then please do so. I make a lot of similar videos around option strategies, and I'm sure you're gonna benefit of that. And in terms of NVIDIA also, I have a couple of more very interesting strategies, and you do not want to miss that. So do subscribe, guys, and I'm sure I'm gonna come up with those strategy videos within a week time. Okay, coming back to this one, so that was the scenario. If it goes above, your collateral is released and you get to keep this premium. You do over and over again, right? And again, guys, this is, I've just, NVIDIA is one of the example, and you can always execute this in your favorite stock. So whatever stock you wanna own, you can use this strategy to own it for less, right? So that was it, guys, for this video, and I'm gonna come up with more NVIDIA strategies soon. I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.